Another day, another story. Winning the lottery is a life-altering event that presents boundless opportunities and possibilities. Suddenly, you find yourself with an abundance of wealth and the chance to make your dreams come true. However, it's important to approach this newfound fortune with careful consideration and a strategic plan. In this guide, we will explore 10 essential things to do if you win a lottery, providing you with practical insights, real-life examples, and expert advice to help you navigate this extraordinary journey. Secure your ticket and remain anonymous. One of the first things you should do is protect your winning ticket and keep it in a safe place. It's also advisable to remain anonymous or use a trust or entity to claim the prize, depending on the rules in your jurisdiction. This helps to maintain your privacy and protect yourself from unwanted attention or potential scams. Consult with financial advisors and create a long-term plan. Winning a lottery can be life-changing, so it's crucial to seek professional advice from financial advisors, accountants, and attorneys. They can guide you through the process of managing your newfound wealth, assist with tax planning, and help you create a long-term financial plan that aligns with your goals and values. Pay off debts and outstanding bills. Start by clearing any outstanding debts or loans you may have. This includes credit card debt, student loans, mortgages, or any other financial obligations. Eliminating debt provides a sense of financial freedom and allows you to allocate your resources more effectively in the future. Let's say you have a mortgage on your home. Winning the lottery can enable you to pay off the entire mortgage, freeing up a significant portion of your monthly income that was previously dedicated to mortgage payments. Set up an emergency fund. Establishing an emergency fund is crucial to handle unexpected expenses or financial downturns. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid and easily accessible account. This fund will act as a safety net and provide peace of mind during challenging times. Imagine your car breaks down, and you need to cover the repair costs. Having an emergency fund ensures you have the necessary funds readily available, without resorting to high-interest loans or tapping into your long-term investments. Invest wisely to grow your wealth. Work closely with financial professionals to develop an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Diversify your investment portfolio across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Investing a portion of your winnings in stocks can generate passive income and potential capital appreciation. Additionally, real estate investments can provide long-term rental income and serve as a store of value. Consider charitable donations and philanthropy. If you have a desire to give back to society, consider supporting charitable organizations or creating a personal foundation. Research and identify causes that resonate with you, and make a positive impact in areas such as education, healthcare, poverty alleviation, or environmental conservation. You could establish a scholarship fund to help underprivileged students pursue higher education or donate to organizations focused on providing clean drinking water to communities in need. Treat yourself and loved ones to a well-deserved vacation. Take the opportunity to indulge in experiences and create lasting memories. Plan a vacation for yourself and your loved ones to celebrate your newfound wealth. Consider exploring destinations you've always dreamed of visiting or enjoying luxury accommodations and unique activities. You might choose to take your family on a trip to an exotic location, such as the Maldives or Bora Bora, where you can enjoy pristine beaches, water sports, and relaxation in a lavish resort. Upgrade your living situation and make necessary renovations. If you've always wanted to improve your living conditions or customize your home, winning the lottery can provide the means to do so. Whether it's purchasing a new property, renovating your current home, or adding luxury amenities, you have the opportunity to create a comfortable and personalized living space. You could build a state-of-the-art home theater, install a swimming pool, or remodel your kitchen with high-end appliances and finishes. Pursue lifelong dreams and passions. Winning the lottery can give you the freedom to pursue your lifelong dreams and passions without the constraints of financial limitations. Whether it's starting a business, pursuing a creative endeavor, or traveling the world, use your newfound wealth to make your dreams a reality. If you've always dreamt of starting your own restaurant, you could use a portion of your winnings to invest in the establishment, hire a talented chef, and create a unique dining experience for patrons. Stay grounded and maintain a balanced lifestyle. While winning the lottery brings financial abundance, it's essential to maintain a balanced and fulfilling life. Avoid excessive spending or impulsive decisions that could jeopardize your long-term financial security. Remember to prioritize your physical and mental well-being, nurture relationships with loved ones, and find joy in experiences that money can't buy. Instead of constantly indulging in extravagant purchases, you could allocate a portion of your winnings towards personal development, such as attending workshops, hiring a life coach, or participating in activities that promote personal growth and fulfillment. By following these steps, you can make the most of your lottery winnings, ensuring financial security, personal fulfillment, and a positive impact on the world around you. Winning the lottery is a remarkable stroke of luck, but it also comes with great responsibility. By securing your ticket, consulting with financial professionals, paying off debts, and investing wisely, you can ensure a secure financial future. Taking the time to give back to the community, indulge in experiences, and pursue your passions adds a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your newfound wealth. Remember to stay grounded, prioritize your well-being, and maintain a balanced lifestyle throughout this incredible journey. By following these 10 steps, you can truly maximize the potential of your lottery winnings, turning this stroke of luck into a life of abundance and fulfillment. Stay with Double Z. Thanks for watching.